Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram error that says, you can't follow accounts right now. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So guys, if you're trying to follow your friend or any other person on Instagram and facing this issue, I'll help you fix it step by step. Let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you need to take a screenshot of the error message. After doing this, go back and open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon, then tap the three lines at the top, and go to Settings and Privacy. Now check if there are any restrictions on your account. If the restriction is due to a post, simply delete that post from here. Once you've done that, go back and scroll down until you see the Help option. Tap on it, then tap Report a Problem. Report a problem again. Choose Include and Continue, then upload the screenshot you took earlier. Here you need to write an appeal. I'll provide this appeal in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste it. In the appeal, make sure to include your Instagram username and your full name along with it. Once you've filled that in, just send your appeal. Within a few minutes, Instagram will review it and fix your problem. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope it helps you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you!